Hello and welcome back to another edition of the Laughing Place Video News Update. I'm Becca Burbank, here to bring you the latest Disney parks, movies, and TV news for June 9th, 2021. First up, Avengers Campus is now officially open at Disney California Adventure. In addition to the new Web Slingers, a Spider-Man adventure ride, the land has several features, from entertainment to food. For example, guests may encounter multiple superheroes from Captain America and Black Widow to Iron Man and Black Panther. Of course, there's also a high-flying Spidey that's impressed audiences so far. Plus, just in time for today's debut of Loki on Disney+, fans may now spot Loki in his TVA prisoner outfit, accompanied by Minutemen. Elsewhere, Doctor Strange and the Dora Milaje each have performances in Avengers Campus. Then, as hunger hits, there's Pym Test Kitchen, serving some experimental dishes and even beer poured upside down. There are also 2 Shawarma Palace carts open to guests, although neither currently accepts mobile order. Finally, Terran Treats has plenty of intriguing sweets for Earthlings. For much more from Avengers Campus, be sure to check out the rest of our YouTube channel and visit laughingplace.com. In exciting news for Disney Parks fans, the Disneyland and Walt Disney World resorts have announced a slew of restaurant reopenings. Perhaps most notably, the popular Oga's Cantina will return to Galaxy's Edge at Disneyland on June 17th, along with Docking Bay 7 and others. Meanwhile, the Lamplight Lounge at Disney California Adventure will expand its menu offerings to include brunch on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays starting July 9th. Over on the East Coast, Ohana at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort is set to reopen on July 9th, with bookings opening on June 10th. Additionally, Sebastian's Bistro at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort will reopen on June 24th. For a list of what dining locations are available on your next Disney Parks visit, we always recommend checking the Disneyland or Walt Disney World apps. With June being Pride Month, Disney Springs is celebrating with some colorful photo opportunities, merchandise, and food offerings from various shops around the shopping and dining district. At the Art of Disney and the Marketplace Co-op, several Disney LGBTQ+ artists are being showcased, while the Ganachery, Amorette's Patisserie, Aristo Crepes, and other locations are currently offering Pride-themed culinary treats. Plus, several retail locations throughout Disney Springs are also celebrating Pride Month with exclusive collections benefiting and supporting LGBTQ+ nonprofits and organizations. So be sure to check out all of these features and more on your next visit to Disney Springs during the month of June. Following the debut of Disney's Cruella in theaters and on Disney+, a sequel to the film is reportedly already in the works. According to The Hollywood Reporter, director Craig Gillespie and screenwriter Tony McNamara are both expected to return for the project. However, the film is in early development, so nothing is set in stone. In the meantime, Disney has also announced home video release dates for the recently released film. Cruella will be available for digital download on major platforms beginning June 25th, and then arrive on Blu-ray, DVD, and 4K Ultra HD on September 21st. It will also be available to all Disney Plus subscribers at no additional charge starting August 27th. Finally this week, Disney Plus has announced a premiere date for the new docuseries Behind the Attraction. The new show, which is produced by Dwayne Johnson and is narrated by Community and DuckTales star Paget Brewster, will debut on July 16th. The 10 episodes that arrive on that day will cover such classic attractions as the Jungle Cruise, the Haunted Mansion, It's a Small World, and more. The series will include rare interviews with Walt Disney, along with exclusive interviews with Bob Weiss, Kim Irvine, Scott Trowbridge, Tom Fitzgerald, Carmen Smith, Joe Rohde, and many others. So get ready to go behind the attraction starting July 16th. And that will do it for this week's Laughing Place Video News Update. For more on the latest news from around the Walt Disney Company, be sure to visit laughingplace.com and subscribe to our channel right here on YouTube. Until next time, bye-bye!